All right. So if you want to make money using ElevenLabs, freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start. In this guide, I'll show you how to turn AI voiceovers into real income step by step. First, get comfortable with ElevenLabs. Practice generating voiceovers, testing voices, and adjusting settings. Next, decide what service you'll provide. Popular options include YouTube voiceovers, ads, audiobooks, or explainer videos. Before getting clients, create a few samples. Yeah, this helps people trust your work. Now, sign up on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and create your profile. Write a clear title and description. Explain what kind of voiceovers you offer and who it's for. Start with competitive pricing, lower at the beginning to attract clients, then increase as you gain reviews. When you get orders, focus on quality, clean audio, natural tone, and fast delivery. Yeah, that's what clients want. Finally, keep improving. Try better voices, refine your scripts, and build long-term clients. And yeah, that's how you can start freelancing with ElevenLabs. It's simple, scalable, and a great way to earn online.